Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be talking about dining arrangements for your child in the Montessori way. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like button. I also make posts on Instagram at Montessori Homeschooling 53. For mealtimes, a small table and chairs are ideal, allowing children to sit comfortably and without feeling restricted. This setup empowers them to move freely, promoting autonomy during eating. The child can independently approach the table, sit down, and get up as needed, fostering a sense of control over their dining experience. However, space limitations might necessitate alternative solutions. A high chair positioned at the family dining table can be a practical option. This allows the child to participate in family meals and observe social interactions. High chairs also offer a safe and secure seating arrangement, preventing accidental falls or injuries. The child can learn to climb on and off the chair in a controlled manner, developing motor skills and coordination. Despite the benefits, high chairs have drawbacks. They limit the child's ability to independently adjust their seating position. Unlike a small chair, the child cannot move the high chair closer to the table if needed, potentially hindering their reach and comfort. Furthermore, getting up and down from a high chair can be challenging, especially if the child drops cutlery or needs to retrieve something from the floor. This dependence on adult assistance can impede their sense of self-reliance and problem-solving skills. Therefore, the choice between a small table and chairs versus a high chair depends on available space and the desired balance between safety and independence. Parents should carefully consider these factors to create a dining environment that best supports the child's development and fosters a sense of autonomy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more new videos on how to set up your own Montessori homeschooling environment and on instructions on how to teach Montessori materials.